Is your Lorex NVR constantly rebooting? This issue often stems from three primary causes: the power supply unit, the hard disk drive, or overheating. A faulty PSU delivers unstable power, causing reboots. HDDs can trigger reboots due to bad sectors or physical damage during read-write operations. Overheating occurs when the NVR's internal components generate excessive heat without adequate ventilation, leading to thermal shutdowns as a safety measure. Determine which of these problems are causing your issues and move on to the next steps. Begin troubleshooting by checking the power supply unit. Use a multimeter to verify it provides a stable 12-volt DC output. Look for signs of capacitor failure or burnt components in the PSU. Replace the PSU if you notice voltage fluctuations or bulging capacitors. Next, examine the hard disk drive using diagnostic tools like Crystal Disk Info to scan for SMART errors or bad sectors. Consider upgrading to a solid-state drive for better reliability and reduced risk of mechanical failures. For overheating issues, ensure proper ventilation by cleaning dust from the NVR and adding external fans if needed. In outdoor installations, relocate the NVR to a cooler environment or provide additional cooling solutions. Finally, ensure your NVR firmware is up to date through the Lorex app or web interface to fix known reboot issues.